Introducing the unique Ishida Airscan, offering unrivaled speed and convenience in leak detection. Machine features include 12-inch color touchscreen, integrated reject bin, lightning-quick laser technology, air blast reject system, and configurable sensing head. A pump located in the base of the machine continually draws in air from the sensing head through the laser and exhausts back into the atmosphere. The approaching pack is detected by the pack sensor. Rollers compress the pack. Air is continually drawn around the pack into the sensing head. The sample is analyzed by the laser. If the seal integrity is complete, then normal levels of CO2 are detected and the pack proceeds. Pack sensors detect the pack. Pressure encourages CO2-enriched modified atmosphere to escape from the pack. This CO2-enriched sample, depicted as red arrows, is drawn in through the sensing head. The laser detects the increased level of CO2 and the integrated reject system rejects the leaking pack. For more information on the Airscan, please visit ishidaeurope.com and navigate to the leak detection product range.